Hi, I'm Kim, and I'm with the Auto Builder. I'm here at the SEMA show today with my friend James. He's with Exedy, and he has a couple of new products that he wants to show us.
Thanks, Kim. The first one is our GR Corolla Stage 1. The application fitment is 23 and up. Basically, with this particular setup, it's a slight increase power level-wise above what you see on a stock configuration. We offer a Stage 1 version of this as well, but with the Stage 2, the biggest point is the Stage 2 has a cerometallic disc on it. With cerometallic, it's going to hold more power, or it has more holding capacity, but the downside to it is it may be just a little bit more aggressive on engagement than, let's say, an OE type clutch. You're looking at probably about 10 or 15% on that. It also comes with flywheel pressure plate. Now, this particular kit is an LB version, so it does not come with a throwout bearing. But again, this fits the 23 up, and there's a Stage 1 version. The difference there is going to be Stage 2 is cerometallic, Stage 1 is an organic style disc. One other thing about the Stage 2 is it holds 585 foot-pounds of torque to the wheels, so that's a substantial increase over an OE setup or a Stage 1 setup.
So James, if we have someone interested in your product, where can they find your product?
Basically, all you need to do is go to www.exedyusa.com, and you can look it up by application, or if you know the part number, or as you can see the part number, you can type that in as well, and it'll give you the data on the unit.
Great, thank you. For more stories like this, visit theautobuilder.com.